Hey guys, Bowman's Lawn Care back. Today we're going to be fixing a leaky pipe from our faucet that's out front. Okay, so here's the pipe on the outside of the house. One, it's missing the knob. Two, somewhere in these seals it's leaking. It's been leaking before it's got cold, but I figure may as well go ahead and fix it. And I don't know, I don't think you can really see, but all this is wet from where it's been leaking. So we're gonna go into the house, get the pipe off, get this one off, and put the new one on. Here we go. Coming?
I think I can carry both of these.
I'll just leave
You're
the.
gonna have to give the tripod.
Just leave it.
Alright.
Oh, this is tight spaces. Now I gotta go way over there.
I just bumped my head on this light. On this pole.
You alright?
Yeah.
This is good for my 3 knee surgeries. And we're in.
Huh?
And we're in.
I can't hear you.
Ow! I hit my head and we're in here. Alright. There it is.
Huh?
Alright, so there it is. The water's all turned off. It's just excess. And I already have this off. I took it off so I could go to Lowe's and make sure I got the right size. So that's the old one.
Yeah.
We had to get the pipe wrench up in there and break that loose. So now we'll get the new one, slide it in, and go from there. Alright, so that pipe's out of the way. Now we need to put some thread tape on here, and I can't hold my camera and do it, so I'll probably have to pause it or see if he can hold it. Can you hold that so it'll see the pipe?
Yeah.
Is it working?
It's in the right spot.
You got it?
Yeah. And the pipe will be in that little hole soon.
Hang on just a second.
As we get that thread tape up there.
It's hard to get up in here and see.
Yeah. It's pretty tough doing this. Because there was a little hole we had to go through.
So see, I'm going clockwise here. Okay. Now I got my little fitting here. Shine at me, Bubby. This fit, not my eyeballs, this fitting. It's gonna have to go on the end of this pipe, and then the new pipe will come into this.
As soon as she gets it in. Into that little hole up there.
It's almost like it. All the water's off, so it's got to be excess.
Yeah.
Huh? out front.
And it will be pretty rough getting it on there. Because my dad has to use a pipe wrench.
I'm thinking I should have put the pipe in, then this, the pipe in and the pipe on, and then this. All right, so we got our fitting on there. Got the new spigot in. She's out there tightening it. I don't know how well this is going to turn out because my battery on my phone's about dead. So we'll be back right now.
I've already started.
What?
I said I was already started. See how small that hole is? I couldn't even hardly get through that.
Oh, were you calling me fat? I'm gonna toss these beside you.
That came flying at me.
I think, Shundo here, I think when we replaced this pipe, I think we actually had to dig this out so we could get through here.
I'm pretty sure.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
And there's 2 5-gallon buckets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one.
That one's smashed, but
Yeah.
we'll get it.
Do you want me to grab these two?
Hang on, we'll get rid of it.
Okay. What about the other one over there? Am I gonna grab the other one?
That one
Yeah.
back there?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay. All right, go ahead, boy. Keep going. We're almost out here. I see daylight.
Yeah.
I see daylight.
We got a big hole so we can all get into this.
I hope there ain't none of them copper-headed water moccasins under here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
It would be bad.
They bite us, we'll bite their head off.
Not me. Yeah.
All right, keep going so I can get these buckets out of here.
Do I pause it now?
All right, guys, we're out, and I'll take you around and show you the new the new spigot.
Do I pause it?
Now. All right, so we got the new one on. I just need to get some screws and put a screw in here. And you can't really see that one, but a screw in there. But it's in. Turn the water on. No leaks. No leaks under the house. But this piece, this new faucet, was $45. It comes as one piece, but $45, which I thought was kind of ridiculous. And then if you have somebody do it, you're going to pay the $45. They're probably going to have it marked up 10%. Plus all their labor. So if you had to have this fixed by a plumber, you'd be at least $100. All right, so we got all that done. No leaks, like I said. I just wanted to do a little short video on taking that apart. It's not really a how-to video. It's just kind of something that we was doing today, and I figured I'd record it and let you guys watch for a little bit. Now, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. We need to stack wood, and I got some wood we got to deliver tomorrow. So, if you guys like the video, like the content, like and subscribe. And I want to thank DLT Lawn Care and Brett's Lawn Maintenance, because that I won a gift card on DLT's live stream the other night. It was, well, it's been 2 weeks ago, I guess, but it was a $20 gift card, and I used that to pay for the water faucet, so I only had to pay 25 of it. So they saved me $20. So go to their channels right here, like and subscribe, and like and subscribe mine, and we will see you guys on the next video.